I literally cannot talk enough about the ROI on these machines. The return on investment right out the gate is phenomenal. I'm Chris Brown. I'm the president and CEO of White Rhino Fabrication. We're located in Canton, Mississippi, and we are a small job shop that service the larger manufacturing facilities in the area. Some of those major manufacturers are the Nissan plant, the Tower Engineering, Continental Tire, Milwaukee Tool. Those are all clients of ours. I got started in 2006 as a hobby. I was a software engineer at the time and got into making Jeep parts for my Jeep and for the rock crawler community. I actually had a vendor approach me asking if I could make some parts for a customer of theirs. And I didn't know how many parts there were, but I asked him if there's enough parts, I would look at purchasing a machine. And I think it was a month later, we had a machine in our shop getting set up. The ROI on this machine is phenomenal because I only have to run that job once or twice a year and it covers the machine for the whole year. So literally everything I do after that job is gravy, really. This year we've run parts from small AN fittings all the way into large tread rollers for Continental Tire and basically everything in between. There's literally nothing I have had a problem machining on this ST-35, and it has opened up the realm of possibilities for just about anything that we want or need to machine. And really, I think the limitation really is our imagination. I got the mill just about exactly 1 year from when I bought the lathe. As soon as my customers realized that I had it, they started sending me work. I have really enjoyed learning how to run these machines. One of the things that I really like about the Haas and the Haas control is the VPS, or the visual programming system. Being new to the Haas machines, having the VPS or the visual programming system has really helped with our one-off parts that we might do day to day. But what's nice about that system is you can take each section that you need to do to that part and put it in a program. So you can write a complete program to do just about every aspect of operations in the VPS for that part. I love these machines.